Welcome, Panda-Frog here. I received a package from Joshua. Thanks, buddy. I really appreciate it. I already looked inside it because I couldn't wait. He sent me some stuff. He wanted to send me 2 challenge logs because he really liked my new website I created. But he put in a whole lot different stuff. So, alright, first things first. He gave me this Mad Dog 357 25th anniversary turbocharged with number 9 plutonium over 1 million Scoville. And in this bullet there's a little spoon. I will show you in a minute. I don't know if I try this one. I certainly will not try it for the for Rune's challenge. Sent me 2 challenge logs. The dentist, and this one I forgot the name. I have to look it up. It's challenge log number 1. We got here the keys. So I will try to get these ones open very soon. So then he also sent me a book. Just put this little to the side. So he sent me this book. It's a deadening. Roger, you're awesome. Possum, which is his dog. And Dana Sullivan and Max. It's an author. And it's from Seattle, I believe. So he told me it is not child friendly, but it's a beautiful book. Thank you so much. I have to read it, and I think it will be an awesome book. And someday my son will get it. When he's a little older, when I'm much older than now, and we'll see. Thank you so much. You shouldn't have done that, but I really appreciate it. So he sent me this little greeting card. And I will read it really quick. The mission was to bring down the rebel shield generator, not fall in love. Fall in love. That's pretty funny. Thanks for pointing that out. And it's from Ugly Baby, which is also funny. Alright, so hi Panda-Frog. Everyone loves surprise gifts. Here's some for you from my hometown Seattle in Washington, USA. The other side of the planet, almost. Enclosed, you'll find some silly stickers I will show you later, a comic book, a couple challenge logs, and my favorite hot sauce. I don't know what to do with the hot sauce, but thank you so much. First, stickers. These are from a little shop just a block away from my house that features local artists. Maybe you can include these when sending other mail or possible in new geocaching hunts. Probably will put it in other mail when I just send out stuff. I don't know. Or keep them for yourself. There are some I will definitely keep because I really enjoy them. Make sure to check the bag. There are some small ones in there. Okay. I will do that in a minute. Second, the comic book. This is not age appropriate for your little one, but I'm hoping you like it. This is a signed copy by a Seattle-based author. It's dedicated to my dog Roger. I got this at a signing event at my local bookstore right before COVID. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this one. Third, challenge logs. 2 of the first logs posted on your website. Yeah, the first ones were mine, and then you posted yours, which I really appreciate. And I will get them open very soon. 4, hot sauce. My absolute favorite sauce. The The bullet it comes with a contains the bullet it comes with contains a small spoon. That is or I can read redundant or something. It's too close together, but serving size. So the bullet spoon is perfect for serving size. Alright. Redundant. Okay, so that's the serving size, one of the spoons. Wishing you and yours the best, Joshua Neon FX. I will put the link from his channel in the description of this video, because I really appreciate this really nice bag of goodies. So let's check out the stickers. Monsters. We put in quite a couple stickers. It's somewhere like really too geeky for me. Alright, so what we got here? We got a little Chinese dog. Some laser cats playing laser pointer with themselves. Cloud cat. Ooh, I'm keeping this one. Astronaut unicorn. I love this one. And what else? This is funny. One napkin. One giant napkin over here. That's funny too. We got here. I follow unicorns. Yeah, me too sometimes. Thought it's a cat. I'm more of a dog person, but they're still funny. There's some smalls. This goat hates your butt. I like this one. When I grow up, I want to be bacon. That's funny. Butts. Alright. Don't use my face soap on. That's a guy thing. Oh, I got a hot sauce sticker also. Thank you so much. It's really funny. I would send some of these stickers out and some I need to keep. I really appreciate the book and the stickers and everything. And thank you so much. Check out his channel, guys. All right, let's open this one. I don't know if I will try it. Probably not, because I'm a big wussy. As you all know, if you watched my YouTube videos, Rune Picker's Spicy Challenge, he challenged me, or he dared me, to try a serving spoon. Let me just smell it first, alright? So this is the bullet with the serving size, and you can unscrew it. And then you got here this little, I don't know, can you see that? This little spoon, which is amazing. Whew, alright. Let's open it and see what we got here. Oh, okay. Sometimes I'm too stupid to open stuff. But that's why we have knives in Switzerland, aren't we? I don't even want to open this one. It's closed. You can smell it. There's supposed to be like 3 different kind of peppers in there. Oh, sorry. You know what this is? I will dip it. Just a tip to see how hot it is. Oh, there it comes. It is hot. I don't want to waste this on this. It's getting hotter. And hotter. Well, this is about a serving size. So this is, I'm going to do it. Alright, so right now, I don't know if this hashtag is taken or anything. We will do the 1 million Scoville lockpicking challenge club, whatever. I will make t-shirt. I will design a t-shirt for this one. I know Rune is in. I know Joshua is probably in. He done this probably before. To get into this lockpicking 1 million Scoville club, I will put a hashtag in the video. I'm gonna prepare the milk. You will need to get one of this Mad Dog 1 million Scoville or something similar, and one of the serving spoons, which is not big. And then you have to take it in your mouth, lick it clean, and wait about a minute. Alright? So I'm looking on my camera. I will take it now. We'll leave it for exactly 1 minute, and I will try to not drink the milk. It's getting hot and hot and hot. Joshua, I really appreciate you sending me this. It is hot. It is very hot. Starting to sweat. I'm about 20 seconds in. So we're going to hashtag LP for lockpicking. 1 million Scoville. I will put the hashtag in the description. It is getting hotter and hotter. Now it's really hot. I have about another 20 seconds. It is hot. It is really, really hot. So I will put everything in the description and the hashtag in the video title. Thank you so much for this amazing package. And you will get something back. Maybe not this year, because I was sending out a lot this year, and I did the minute. Alright. Thank you so much. Alright. We are now doing this 1 million Scoville lockpicking club. I'm in. Woodpicker's in, I know. Joshua is probably also in. I will check with him. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm now about 1 minute 30 or something. I'm really sweating. Everything is hurting a little, but it's not as bad as I thought. And I will design t-shirts for this hot spicy stuff. Alright? And only lockpickers with lockpicking channels, of course. Obviously. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for the package. Join the lockpicking 1 million Scoville club. See you in the next video. Bye bye.